Planning for the CRISC exam? This guide covers the current rules, costs, and a study plan for 2026. The current CRISC exam consists of 150 multiple-choice questions, which you have 4 hours to complete. This averages out to about 96 seconds per question. Your performance is converted to a scaled score ranging from 200 to 800, with 450 being the passing mark. It's important to know that ISACA includes unscored pre-test questions, but you won't be able to identify them. Since there is no penalty for incorrect answers, be sure to answer every single question on the exam. The exam outline, effective November 3, 2025, is structured around 4 domains with specific weightings. Governance makes up 26%, and risk assessment is 22%. The largest section, risk response and reporting, accounts for 32% of the exam. Finally, technology and security covers the remaining 20%. Use these percentages to guide your study focus, allocating the most time to Domain 3. Remember to download the official outline from ISACA to see the detailed task and knowledge statements for each domain. You can take the CRISC exam before you meet the experience requirements. However, to become certified after you pass, you must document at least 3 years of cumulative professional experience. This work must span at least 2 of the 4 CRISC domains. ISACA has specific timing rules. Your experience must be from the last 10 years before you apply, and you must submit your application within 5 years of passing the exam. There are no waivers or substitutions for the experience requirement. Understanding the costs is a key part of planning. The CRISC exam registration fee is $575 for ISACA members and $760 for non-members. After passing and meeting the experience rules, there is a $50 application fee for all candidates. While ISACA membership has its own annual fee, the exam discount is substantial. It's wise to compare the total cost at checkout before deciding. Remember that any retake attempt requires paying the full exam registration fee again, which makes thorough preparation a sound investment. If your first attempt is unsuccessful, you must follow ISACA's retake policy. There's a mandatory 30-day waiting period before you can schedule your second attempt. After a second attempt, the wait increases to 90 days. Following a third attempt, you must wait another 90 days. ISACA allows a maximum of 4 attempts within a rolling 12-month period. Be sure to factor these potential delays and the additional cost of a full retake fee into any deadlines related to your career. This flexible 8-week study plan provides a structured approach. Start in week 0 with a diagnostic test to find your baseline. For weeks 1 through 5, focus on the domains, using the official outline as your guide and giving extra time to Domain 3. In weeks 6 and 7, shift to mixed domain practice and complete at least 1 full-length timed exam to test your pacing. Finally, use week 8 for targeted review of your weakest areas and to confirm all your exam day logistics. Now you have the current facts for the 2026 CRISC exam, from domain weights to certification rules. To turn this plan into action, visit the full guide on our website. You'll find the complete 8-week study plan, links to official ISACA resources, and free practice questions to establish your baseline. Click the link in the description to get started.